Hello, dear friends. I'm in Singapore now. I just attended a talk in Orchard Road on the use of hypnotherapy for chronic pain relief. The speaker is Miss Fauziah Shah. She and I met during Tom Silver's scientific hypnotherapy training last year in Kuala Lumpur. Miss Fauziah Shah has 20 over years experience in hypnotherapy. She runs a private practice here in Singapore. Miss Fauziah is also a success and mind power coach and trainer with multiple academic and professional qualifications. And she has vast experience in helping people overcome their many challenges, including chronic pain. There are many literature done in the efficacy of hypnotherapy in addressing chronic pain. There's a study by PETRA et al. 2020 to underscore hypnotherapy's efficacy in treating conditions such as anxiety, stress, chronic pain, and certain psychosomatic disorders. The study also explores the neurobiological mechanisms underlying hypnotherapy, suggesting that it can alter brain activity in ways that promote healing and emotional regulation. So these are some of the benefits that have been documented. So it was my pleasure meeting Miss Fauziah Shah and her team of hypnotherapists in Singapore. And we strive to continue to raise awareness on the use of hypnotherapy in addressing a range of physical, psychological, and emotional issues.